Metformin doesn't burn fat, it doesn't suppress hunger, and it was never designed for weight loss. Yet people keep losing weight on it, not because it's magic, because it removes the one hormonal lock that keeps fat stuck. And once that lock is gone, your body finally remembers how to lose weight. Hi, I'm Afsoon, a physician assistant in primary care. I prescribe metformin almost every single day, and most people misunderstand how it works. Today I'm going to explain how metformin can support weight loss without being a weight loss drug and why it works for some people and not for others. Here's the key idea you need to understand first. Metformin doesn't burn fat. It removes the hormonal roadblocks that prevent fat loss. And the biggest roadblock is insulin. Here's the part most people never hear. Fat loss doesn't start with calories. It starts with insulin. When insulin stays high, your body is in one mode only: store fat. You can eat less, you can exercise more. But as long as insulin is elevated, fat loss is locked. Metformin works here. It doesn't force weight loss. It changes the hormonal environment so weight loss becomes possible again. Let's talk about what metformin actually does. Simple, honest. Metformin improves how your cells respond to insulin, reduces insulin spikes after meals, lowers baseline insulin levels over time. When insulin comes down, your body finally gets the signal. It's safe to use stored fat. That's the switch. This is how I explain it to my patients. When insulin stays high, your body gets one message over and over again: store fat. And that can happen even if you're eating less. Metformin helps your body use insulin more efficiently, so your pancreas doesn't have to release as much of it. And when insulin levels come down, something important happens. Fat loss becomes easier, more natural, less forced. Now, I also set expectations very clearly. Metformin does not cause rapid weight loss. This is not a quick fix medication. The changes are gradual, they're metabolic, and they build quietly over weeks to months. This is not appetite suppression. This is hormone repair. This part surprises a lot of people. Your liver releases sugar into your bloodstream, not just when you eat, but all day and all night. In insulin resistance, that sugar release becomes excessive, and that constant sugar overflow keeps blood sugar unstable. Metformin works at the liver. It tells your liver to stop overproducing glucose, so there's less sugar flooding the bloodstream between meals and especially overnight. When blood sugar is more stable, hunger calms down, cravings ease up, and your body doesn't feel like it's constantly running on empty. This isn't about willpower. It's about removing the sugar chaos that drives hunger in the first place. Your liver can release too much sugar even when you're not eating. Metformin helps turn that down. When your blood sugar is steadier, you feel less hungry, you snack less, and weight loss becomes easier to maintain. This is the part most people don't expect. Metformin doesn't work only in your blood. It works in your gut. It changes the gut bacteria and improves the hormones that tell your brain when you're full. For many patients, that leads to something subtle but powerful. They feel full faster. They stop craving carbs the same way. They snack less without trying. That's not willpower. That's biology changing the signal. Metformin improves the signals between your gut and your brain, so your appetite feels more regulated, not forced. You're not starving yourself. You're responding to more accurate hunger and fullness cues. What the studies actually show is, on average, patients on metformin lose about 2 to 5% of body weight over time. That may sound modest, but here's the important part. It's sustainable. It's not muscle loss. It doesn't rebound like crash diets. Slow fat loss beats fast regain every time. Let's be honest, metformin will not melt fat overnight, replace nutrition, outperform GLP-1 meds like Ozempic, but it does not cause weight gain, which already puts it ahead of many medications. So you might ask how to make metformin help weight loss? If you're on metformin and not seeing results, it's usually because of one thing. It works best when you eat protein and fiber first, avoid liquid sugar, walk after meals, take it consistently. Metformin opens the door. Lifestyle decides whether you walk through it, so no, metformin isn't a diet pill. It's something better. It makes weight loss possible again when insulin resistance was blocking it.